Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of Fluid Technologies. Today I am going to unboxing Westpoint. It's garment steamer. It's newly brought from online and it's a 2 years warranty. Its model is WF1154 and it's have the capacity of 2 liters of water tank and 6 types of different mod you can use with it, and it is with auto power water supply, and it has leak proof with pipes with it. So let me unbox it and let's see what is in the box. This steamer, this model, let me check. Okay, let's unbox it and let's start unboxing it and let's see what is in the box. Okay, this is a manual of this steamer. There is a warranty card, 2 years. And what is this? This is the gloves. You can use it. It's another thing. Let's see what is this. This is some tools. There is a stand pipe here. This is another brush for streaming. This is the stand items. And this one is the pipe with the streamer. The main streamer is here, and this one is the streamer. You can see here, this is the streamer and this is the water tank. So let's I assemble it and then get back to you. Okay, I have assembled this Westpoint steamer and it's look like this. This is the container part, and here we can put water. This is this rod and it's look like this when it's will be assembled. So this is the pipe. When the streaming don't. Okay, now I put water in it and this is the water level, and I power it on. Its lights are on. Here you can see there are different mods. First is of nylon, synthetic, silk, wool, cotton and linen. These are the mods we can use. I show you on the cotton. I stream it on cotton. Now it starts taking some water. It takes some time, and then we can press this shirt with this streamer, and I can show you the final result of this cotton shirt. Now you can see now it's putting water. You just use it horizontal, not vertical, because if you use vertical, the water spill out and it may be on your shirt. So it's just ready. And you can don't hold this pipe, only hold from here, and you can use it like this way. As you can see, you can stream like this way. I'll show you the final result when I stream it. Okay, now you can see I have streamed this shirt and it's looking so fine. It's very neat streaming. Stream it. It's a cotton one and it's look very neat and clean. So it's a good product. You can buy it and you can use it. It's very good, and I recommend you can use this streamer Westpoint.